you can really, really try to stay focused, but people will distract you. Situation will distract you. Oh my gosh. I now realize what the issues that we mainly have in our relationship and when it comes to money. You're with Dr. Pamela Smith. Thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure to see you. I just wanted to quickly talk about getting yourself together and just getting on path to having greater relationships, having awesome and great money. And there's things we have to do to protect that. And I realize what you're protecting is you're protecting your time. I didn't realize how fast it seems as though time is moving. And we feel like we don't have enough time to get whatever we're trying to do done. And it's not that we don't have enough time. We're just a part of everybody else's time. And I realize it's, as I'm, doing my consultations and helping a lot of people with their relationships, and I'm, help now with people with their protecting their money. It's a lot. It comes with time, because as soon as you want to work on something for yourself, or you're trying to put something in place for yourself, someone else is trying to nibble at the time that you're trying to take for yourself. And I'm telling you, I had made a conscious decision to work on putting out, talking more, getting out, helping. And don't get me wrong, I put a lot of videos up there, but I want to get out to where you all see me more often. I want to offer a community of where we can chat and talk, because of that, you lose time. Yeah, time is so important to do anything you want to do. Anything. It's all about that time. So I just want to say to you today is figure out what is best time for you. The best time for you to be in a relationship. The best time for you to change your business. The best time for you to change where and who and what you're working for. Best to give the time to self. But I'm telling you, we all always talk about focusing on ourselves. And we can focus on ourselves. We can focus on our journey. We can focus on what we're trying to do. We can focus on where we're trying to go. We can focus on what we're trying to build. We can be focusing. And it seems as though it's not enough time. But it's a lot of time. You have a lot of time to change whatever you want to change. And I realized if I was going to change anything that I wanted to do, I had to just go do it. I'm telling you, the time you look up and you think about it, time is the number one thing to success, to great love, to great happiness, is giving time to yourself. And when you give your time to yourself, you're able to be more successful. You're able to cultivate great relationships. You're able to build a business or change the direction of what you want to do in your life. Because you end up changing and giving yourself more time. So start giving yourself more time, because you have it. And you've got to make everyone wait. And you know what I mean by that. I'm not telling you don't pay attention to your children. I'm not telling you don't pay attention to your parents. I'm not telling you not to pay attention to your mate. What I'm saying is figure out when and how to best give yourself time for you to change your life, to increase your life, to do better in your life. Find that time for you and create and do what it takes to be the best of you. Because whatever you're going to do, it has to be through you if you want to make all those things around you greater, better, happier, loving, is that you have to give it time. So you've been with me, and I appreciate you taking the time talking to and listening to my talk about how you can just be successful by giving more time, how you can have greater relationships by just giving more time, and how you can change your life to any direction you want to, and however you want it to be, is when you just give more time. So have a great day, and I will be back talking more about love, money, relationships, and success strategies. Take care.